Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Insight. Nowadays, you must be hearing the word air quality index about different cities, especially Lahore and Delhi, that these cities have been affected worst by the pollution. What is this air quality index or air pollution index? How we categorize different cities according to the air quality index? And what are the causes which has caused this air pollution? In today's vlog, we shall be trying to get the answers of all these questions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As said in the intro, today we are going to discuss air pollution index or air quality index. What is air pollution index? The air pollution index, also known as the air quality index, is a crucial tool for measuring the level of air pollution in a given area. It is calculated based on the levels of 5 major air pollutants. And these are, number 1, ground level ozone. Number 2, particle pollutions, PM2.5 and PM10. Number 3, carbon monoxide. Number 4, sulfur dioxide. And number 5, nitrogen dioxide. So these are the 5 major air pollutants which determine the air quality index, and which are used to calculate the air pollution index or the air quality index. And when we calculate the air quality, we get score of that area from 0 to 500. When it is from 0 to 50, this is a good quality index. The air is good. When it is 51 to 100, the quality is moderate. Not good, but moderate. When it is from 101 to 150, this is unhealthy for sensitive groups. And when it is from 151 to 200, this is called unhealthy air. And from 201 to 300, this is very unhealthy. And from 301 to 500, this is hazardous. So we divide the air quality, we categorize the air quality into good, moderate, unhealthy for sensitive groups, unhealthy, very unhealthy, and hazardous. And this categorization is on the basis of the score which is obtained with the help of the 5 main pollutants. Let's see in more detail what does this mean. practically. When this index is between 0 to 50, it means it's a good air quality, and this quality is satisfactory, and air pollution poses little or no risk to the people. So lower the index, good is the quality. What if it is between 51 to 100? This is moderately polluted air. It means air quality is acceptable, but some people may experience health effects. If this index is between 101 to 150, this is categorized as unhealthy for sensitive groups. Members of sensitive groups, such as those with respiratory issues like allergic rhinitis, like asthma, like COPD, they may experience health effects. As the score goes high, from 151 to 200, this is an unhealthy air. Everyone, irrespective whether someone is sensitive or not, someone has got respiratory issue or not, everyone may begin to experience health effects. And when it is very unhealthy, score it from 201 to 300, no, everyone is more likely to be affected. And when this is hazardous, from 301 to 500, health warning of emergency conditions must be issued. And everyone is more likely to be affected by this polluted air. So, when you hear the word of air index, then you categorize, you see in which category the score lies, from good to the hazardous, and depending upon the score and the category, the risk to the people, it is measured. So this is the air pollution or air quality index, and you must be hearing nowadays in your media, on social media, on TV, electronic media, it's air quality index of that city is this much and that city is this much. Let's see, what are the causes of air pollution? What causes this air index to go high? Air pollution is caused by a combination of natural and human-made factors. Here are some of the main causes. Natural causes, human-made causes, and these include industrial and vehicular emissions, agriculture and waste management, domestic and commercial sources. Then comes the other sources, and then the greenhouse gases. We shall take these one by one and see what are the components of these groups of causes. First, we take the natural causes. What are the natural causes which results in air pollution? Volcanic eruptions. This is a natural cause of air pollution, release of ash, gas, and aerosol. This is one cause. Where the volcano eruption has occurred, that is the worstly polluted air. But as you go away and away, the air quality improves. But when this air flows to the surrounding areas, that area gets polluted. Second natural cause is wildfire. And we do see that here and there the wildfire happens. So burning of vegetation and forests. So the vegetation's burning, And forest burning, it may be spontaneous, it may be at times human do it, but this is the second cause of air pollution, the second natural cause. And the third is the dust storms. You must have experienced the dust storms, wind-blown dust and sand. And it badly affects the air quality. Natural gas seeps, the fourth natural cause, release of methane and other gases. All these contribute to the pollution of the air. Now let's go into deep the human-made causes. The first group, industrial and vehicular emissions. In this, we have got the fossil fuel combustion, coal, oil and gas, in the power plants, vehicles and industrial processes. We have vehicle emissions from cars, trucks and airplanes, exhaust gases and particulate matter. The third human-made cause in the industrial and vehicular emission is industrial processes. Cement, steel, chemicals, release of pollutants. So this is one category of human-made causes. Second category of human-made causes is agriculture and waste management. In this comes the agriculture burning, crop residual burning. This is in routine done. Livestock manure, ammonia emissions, waste disposal, landfills, incinerators, which results in methane and particulate matter emissions and addition to the air to make it polluted. Then comes the third category of human-made causes, that is the domestic and commercial sources. And under this heading, the first cause is cooking and heating fuels, wood, coal, and gas. And it results in indoor air pollution in the homes, domestic air pollution. Then comes the building material and furnishings. Emissions from paints, adhesives, furniture, all these aiding to the air pollution. Then comes the cleaning products and pesticides, volatile organic compounds. So all these are the domestic and commercial sources, again the human-made causes. What are the other sources? Despite, in addition to the natural and the human-made, these are construction and demolition, and it results in the dust, particulate matter, shipping and ports, emissions from ships, cargo handling, aviation, aircraft emissions. And then the greenhouse gases, these also aid to the air pollution of any city. And these include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases, F gases. All these are the greenhouse effects. The key pollutants, if we summarize, these are particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10. What is this? We will discuss this in another vlog. Nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds, and ozone. These five are the main key pollutants which aids to the air pollution, and carbon monoxide. The pollution may vary according to the region. In the urban air pollution, it's separate, they have got separate composition. In the mega cities, the traffic, the factories and others. In the rural area pollution, agricultural burning. And the indoor air pollution, cooking and heating. Understanding these causes help develop effective strategies to mitigate air pollution. So, dear colleagues, I hope from today's discussion, you must have understood what does air quality index or air pollution index means, what are the components on the basis of which this index is calculated, how we categorize this into different categories, and what is their relationship with the health issues, and what are the main causes resulting in the air pollution. So I end here. Inshallah, see you in the next vlog on the same subject. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.